So do you also use LinkedIn to get more leads for your own business? Then you are on the right video. So capturing the lead details is easy, but warming up these leads is the main task. Many businesses fail right here only. The main task is connecting with the lead through starting till the end to convert them into a customer or a client. In this video, I'll show you how you can warm up LinkedIn leads using Pabbly, and the main thing is that you can try this for free today. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's learn how to warm up LinkedIn leads using Pabbly. So for that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages, something like this, to 100 your LinkedIn leads for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and in this video I'll give you an example how you can warm up your LinkedIn leads through WhatsApp messages. Like this, you can send SMS, email, add their details in CRM, create an AI calling agent for them, and much more. For that, you just need Pabbly. Okay, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for LinkedIn. So let's search for LinkedIn and select the same over here. For the event, we have to select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now you have to make sure that your LinkedIn account is logged in. If not, Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then your LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now it is asking for the sponsored account, and if you also find this problem of no options found, click on this refresh fields button and the options will appear. Now you have to select the sponsored account and click on this save and send test request. When you click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, let's open our LinkedIn, and this is the ad which I am running. So let's click on this apply now, and over here is the lead form in this ad. So we're going to fill in this lead form so that we can create a test lead. Okay, so let's just fill in this lead form. So for the email address, I am going to keep it as this, and then for the phone number, let's keep it as this. Now it is asking me for the first name, last name, and company name. So okay, you must be wondering that why is it not asking me for these details, and why is these details already filled in? So what happens is that I am running this campaign in draft mode, like my campaign is not live. That's the reason that I'm not getting the option to fill in these details. But if your campaign is live, then your lead are definitely going to get the option to fill in all these details. So after filling in these details, click on this submit, and we have successfully submitted this form. It is saying information sent to Pabbly. This means that we have created a test lead by submitting this lead form. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And now once we're going to capture the response, then you will have two options. The first option is you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time, but for that you have to click on this recapture webhook response, which is going to appear, and then you have to wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option is just capture the test lead details, create this amazing automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too without any fail. Yes, you can create this automation using the test lead details like I am going to do. So now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. response. You must be wondering why. Don't panic, you just have to wait for a few seconds till it is going to capture the response of the test lead which you have submitted right now. Now you can see we have successfully captured this response. So let's move on further and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select the application using which you want to send automated WhatsApp messages. So you can use WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, AI Sensi or Pabbly Chatflow too. Pabbly supports most of them, so you have to just search for it. So I am just going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's search for Pabbly Chatflow and select it. For the event, you have to select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just click on this Pabbly Chatflow account. The URL is given right over here. It is going to take you to the accounts page. So go on this Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now button. Once you click on this access now button, your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow will open. Now you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have did, and if not, you're going to find this tutorial. You can watch this tutorial to learn how to connect WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. It is very easy. After you do this, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then API and webhooks. You're going to find the API token, just copy it and paste it right over here in your workflow. So easy, right? Then click on this save and your Pabbly Chatflow account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the recipient mobile number. So let's enter the WhatsApp mobile number of our lead. But over here's a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So we have to put a slash, search for the details. So it is saying recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So search for the number of your lead and map it like this. Now for the WhatsApp message, let's open my previous workflow. Let's copy the same WhatsApp message and paste it right over here, because this is the same WhatsApp message which I am going to send. But in this WhatsApp message, let's just correct some formatting first. Okay, but before we correct the formatting, let's just map the name of our lead because I want to send personalized WhatsApp messages. So let's put a slash, search for the name and map the first name, put a space, search for the last name and map the last name. Now let's just correct the formatting of this WhatsApp message, and after we do this, let's move on further. So as you can see that this is the WhatsApp message which I want to send, and now it is saying name. So if you want, you can definitely enter this name by mapping it and the rest of the details too. For the opt-in, keep it as yes, incoming blocked, keep it as no. If you want to add tags, you can add it. Same goes for the remove tags. If you want to add keys, open this mapping button, or you can say switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written right over here and enter your key. If you don't want to enter the key, keep this field as blank and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. So as you can see that I have successfully replaced this. Now let's just click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received a positive response that we have successfully sent this WhatsApp message. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see we have received a new message. Hi Pabbly, thank you for filling out the form. Really appreciate your interest. Just reaching out to understand your goals during the digital marketing. So as you can see that we have successfully received this WhatsApp message, and not only once but now whenever someone is going to fill in this lead form which is through LinkedIn, instantly an automated WhatsApp message something like this will be forwarded to my LinkedIn lead. This can warm up this LinkedIn lead further. You can also send SMSs, emails. You can create a AI calling agent who is going to call your LinkedIn leads, and you can do much more just by using Pabbly Connect. So go and try Pabbly Connect, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And further, if you want the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below, you can check it out. You can also copy paste my WhatsApp message and use it for your own business. And further, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.